All right, for all the men out there that are looking for a set of drill bits, this one by DEWALT, hits all the boxes here. Let me go ahead and get it open for you. So you can see here. Oops, there we go. There it goes. It comes with everything in here. So there you go. You see all the drill bits. You see the wrenching kit, all of that good stuff. Heavy duty, we know DEWALT makes a great brand. So like I said, if you're in the market for something and it comes with a storage case, like I said, it's easy to pack up. We take it from our basement to our bedroom to, you know, anywhere you're working. And it comes in this cute little travel kit. And like I said, you can't go wrong with anything DEWALT.